Simplifying algebraic fractions. First of all, we have 12x squared y to the power of 5 over 15x cubed y squared. Treat each term separately. Let's look at the numbers first, followed by the powers of x, followed by the powers of y. Okay, so we end up with dividing the 12 and the 15 by 3, gives us 4 and 5. Then we can divide top and bottom by x squared. So now we have x to the power of 0, which is 1, and x to the power of 1 on the bottom. And now, looking at the y terms, y squared is common in both. We divide top and bottom by y squared. We'll get y cubed on the top and y to the power of 0 on the bottom, which is 1. And then of course just simplifying all that together, put it together, 4y cubed over 5x. In each algebraic fraction, the best thing to do is always factorise top and bottom first. So if we look at the top numerator of this fraction, 3 goes into 12 and 3, and x cubed is the highest power of x. And on the bottom, 3 is common in both 6 and 3. Now we notice on the top we've got 3x cubed times 4x squared minus 1. You can see also that we've already got a common factor of 3 top and bottom, but we can actually factorise that bracket further, as you may notice a difference of 2 squares. So there we have 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1s will cancel out, as will the 3's. So this one leaves us with a 1 on the denominator. So we can just write that as x cubed multiplied by 2x minus 1. Okay, now we have two quadratic expressions on the top and on the bottom, one on the top, one on the bottom. And again, just look for factorising these first to see if we can find any common factors. Okay, and you can see on this one, both of them have an x plus 1 in this. We can divide both of those by x plus 1, leaves with x minus 7 over x plus 8. One thing to do is, once you did the top one, we knew if we was going to simplify that either x minus 7 or x plus 1 would be on the bottom. Well, it's clearly not going to be x minus 7, so it's a good idea that we're going to try x plus 1. That should help you factorise the second quadratic. Okay, next one here, we've got 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 all over x squared minus 3x minus 10. And we factorise these over 2x plus 3, x plus 2 on the top, and x plus 2 times x minus 5 on the bottom. Again, if you're not sure which one to factorise the bottom one first, it's easier. You get x plus 2 times x minus 5. If this is going to simplify, it's got to have one of those in the numerator. And again, as that ends in a 6, the chances are it will not be x minus 5, as you can't multiply anything by an integer by 5 to give you 6. So x plus 2 will be the factor, and then we can work out then from that it's got to be 2x to make 2x squared and plus 3 to make the plus 6. And there's our final answer.